What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I have a very wonderful boom and crash strategy. This has both the spike catching ability and the tick trading ability, so you're really gonna enjoy a two-in-one strategy, right? So I'm trying to keep this video short so that you guys can go straight to making money. But as usual, before we start, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss these kind of videos, guys. If you really enjoy these videos, also make sure you click the like button to support this channel, right? I'm just gonna do a quick one. I haven't introduced to you guys the broker that I use. I use deriv.com, right? If you want to sign up and have an account, just go in the description box below. There is a link that will lead you and you'll be able to follow the step-by-step process of creating an account and start making money as we are. So all these strategies, I apply them on deriv.com. So make sure you have an account with Deriv. The link is just in the description box below so that you are not lost, so that you don't go to any other broker that is not worth it, right? A lot of you have been asking me which broker do I use. I use deriv.com. The link is in the description box. You can sign up your account. You can do a minimum deposit of $10 and you can even start trading. I think they even go to $5 and you can even start trading, even $1, guys. So make sure you sign up. The link is in the description box below. And if you want to join the biggest trading community right now, make sure you follow the trading the link that is in the description box below. It will lead you straight to my Telegram channel, and in that channel you'll be able to interact with other traders. You'll be able to see strategies that I post. You'll be able to see signals that I post. You'll be able to benefit in education about trading. So I post anything to do with trading in that group, right? And a quick one, guys, I also post results like this. You can see this is the 500 USD withdrawal which we just made. This is account management, so make sure you join us in account management if you want to make this kind of money, right? So today I want to share with you guys this two-in-one strategy. This two-in-one strategy, right? It's very simple but very accurate because this one uses price action in it. So we're going to be following trends and we're going to be following what the price is actually doing, right? So this is how the strategy should look like by the end of this video. So I just want to do the step-by-step process as usual so that you guys really don't miss anything, right? Because I know there are new people that have just started looking at my videos right now, and they would want to know how to do the step-by-step processes, right? And those new people can just create an account with the link in the description box below. You'll see it. It's very clear that it will lead you to the correct broker, right? So without wasting much time, let's get to how to install these settings, right? So I'm going to click this F, and then I'm going to remove everything that I have right here so that we do the step-by-step process of deleting, of installing actually a strategy, right? So as you can see now, I have a blank chart. I have a blank live chart, right? So we want to install these indicators. They're a little bit a lot, but we have all the time, guys. This is Asante. We're just preparing for the new week ahead of us, right? So make sure you start the new week with a good strategy, okay? So I'm going to go to indicators, then main window. Then I'm going to start installing my moving averages. So the first moving average that we want to install, which is our first indicator, has got a period of 20, right? A shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close. I'll choose the color brown and then click save and then done. So now, as you can see, I now have a new line across my chart. The next indicator that we want to install is also a moving average, but this time it has a period of 21. The properties are still the same: shift of 0, method of exponential, apply to close. I'll change the color to red. You can use any color of your choice. Then click save, then done. As you can see now, we have 2 lines. The next one that I want to install is a moving average of period 22. Same settings again. I'll just change the color right here to this color, then done. Next, I'm gonna install another moving average. This time it is with a period of 13. Same settings again. What will change is the color. I'll put it to pink, then done, then done. And then we also need another moving average. It will have a period of 24 this time. And then I'll just change the color right here to purple, then done, then done. And then lastly, for our main chart, another moving average. This time it's a period 25. Shift 0 method exponential, apply to close, and then the color blue. So what you can do is pause these videos so that you make sure you have the correct settings as we proceed. Okay, and I'm going to click done. So we now have all these moving averages on our main chart ready, and the last indicator that we need is going to go to our indicator window 1. So we're going to go to indicator window 1, and we're going to look for an indicator called the stochastic oscillator, which is right here, and it's going to have the following settings: a period of 60, K period, D period of 3, slowing 3, price field. I'm going to change this price field to low high, and we're going to change the method also to simple, right? And then the levels, we'll need the following levels. You can screenshot them: strong sell at level 90, sell at level 80, take profit at level 50, buy at level 20, strong buy at level 10. Then we're going to click done, and just to make sure we have the correct settings. On styling, you have there those colors. I chose green and red. You can pick any color that you're interested in, right? And then done. So now, as you can see, it's a very powerful strategy, guys. Can you see that we are on strong sell and we're already receiving spikes, right? But I don't want to start with spikes. I want to start with trend tick trading, right? Basically, you will be trading these smaller ticks, not these spikes, right? So maybe let me start off on boom 500 for a change, because I think most of my videos they always start on boom 1000. And if you haven't watched yesterday's strategy, please guys, go watch the previous strategy that I posted it the day before yesterday. It's a 3-in-1 strategy, guys, and it's been doing amazing. I've been getting a lot of results from you guys, so make sure you go check it out. Don't miss it. Don't miss that one. Don't miss that strategy, and check out everything that is here on this channel, because it will help you find the perfect strategy that fits your trading style, right? This is why I post different strategies, because everyone has a different trading style. So make sure you get the one that suits you, right? So let's talk about when to buy and when to sell. The first thing that you want to do is you're going to look for a confirmation from the trend. You want to look for a confirmation from the trend, right? Let me look for an example that actually goes with what I'm talking about. Let's check crash. Let's see. Okay, here's the thing that is happening with crash 1000 right now. The first step that you want to do is you want to switch to your 15-minute time frame, and this is where you check your trend. So how do you know that you are now supposed to buy crash? How do you know that you are now in an uptrend? What you basically look for is, you go to your main window, right? You check, are the candlesticks above our candlesticks above these moving averages? If the candlesticks are above the moving averages, it means we are in an uptrend, which means I'm now looking for buy positions in crash, right? I'll look for buy positions in crash. That's the first step. So as you can see, around this whole area, our candlesticks were above, even here, because that's where we're actually going to take a look at. So around this whole region, our candlesticks are above our moving averages, right? That's the first step. This is in our 15-minute time frame. Once you have done that, you're going to go back to your 1-minute time frame. Go back to your 1-minute time frame. Let me just adjust the zoom. Okay, now you can see that around this region, this is when we got our signal to buy. This is the second condition. Your stochastic should reach the strong buy level. And once you do that, you're going to enter into your trade, right? And you're going to enter into a trade up until you reach TP, up until you reach TP. As simple as that. So you're going to ride as long as you reach your take profit level, right? I hope you guys got that instruction. The first condition is you go to your M15, you look and check if the candlesticks are above the moving averages. If they're above the moving averages, you're going to switch to the 1-minute time frame where you take your position. And in your 1-minute time frame, what you're basically looking at, or what you're basically looking for, is you want your stochastic to be in the strong buy region. And once it does that, you want to go to you're going to hold this position until you reach take profit level. Can you see that when you reach take profit level, we experienced a spike? So this is take profit level on our stochastic, and if you check on your main chart, a few minutes later we reached a spike. But either way, you were already out in the trade, and this spike was not going to affect you either way, because your entry point was going to be down here and you would go all the way up. Guys, these are a lot of pips. So whether you're scalping, you're following the trend, you're really going to maximize each and every position in this, right? Let's take a look at I was looking at Boom 1000, and it was really doing amazing things. 15-minute time frame. This time, if you're on Boom and you want to scalp, what do you have to look for? First, make sure your candlesticks this time are below your moving averages. This shows that you are in a downtrend. Which means you can start selling, right? At the same time, look for the strong sell level, right? And they said we look for this in your 1-minute time frame. So I'm just gonna go look for where we highlighted that we were in a downtrend, which was around let me go back to the M15. We said this region is the downtrend, right? So I'll go to the 1-minute level and look for that downtrend. So hope I find it, right, which is right here, which means your entry point would be when you reach this strong sell. Can you see how powerful this is, guys? So you're going to enter your trade once we reach this strong sell, and you're going to hold all the way down to take profit level, which is here, right? With this strategy, guys, you won't miss if you're following these settings correctly. You won't miss if you're following these instructions correctly, right? So make sure you practice that. So the next thing that we would want to do now is to take a look at how to catch spikes with this strategy, right? Remember, this is a two-part strategy. So Basically, if you want to catch spikes, you're going to be looking for the opposite this time. So if you're on boom like this, first check in your 15-minute time frame. Are your candlesticks above the moving averages? If they are above the moving averages, it means you are in an uptrend. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your 1 minute time frame, right? This is my 1 minute time frame. Let me switch to 1 minute. Remember, we are still in the region for buy setups, and what you're simply going to do now is to go and look for the strong buy. Once you are in the strong buy region, which is here, level 10 going down, which is here, you're going to place your trade. So you would place your trade, let me trace it. You will place your trade around here, and you would wait for the spike. And can you see these huge spikes coming all the way and going up, right? Same thing happened here. You would wait for you to reach level 10, which is strong buy, and you would wait for this whole period, and as usual the spikes will come and surpass your entry point. So your entry point was somewhere around here, and can you see the spikes took you there, right? So you keep doing this in all the regions that you find. Same thing happened here. You still had enormous spikes coming. So what you do now, if you're using this strategy to catch spikes, it means that you're going to be using the smallest lot size, because you're going to wait for the spikes, and they might take long. So you need to have to account for drawdown. You need to account for drawdown because you're going to be negative for quite some time. It's now different if you are scalping, because if you are scalping, you always start making money right there, right? You always start making money as soon as you enter a trade. So the drawdown is very small. It's just the spread, I think, that you're going to pay before you get into profit, right? So please make sure you try these strategies out before you use them on your real account. Get comfortable with the strategy first, and then switch to a real account, right? They're quite simple. I think more explanations are going to be in the Telegram channel, so make sure you join. The link is in the description box below, and it is free to join that Telegram channel. There's over 5,000 traders right there, so it's really of value if you can see all those people gathering there. So a sub to this channel will be much appreciated. Don't forget, if you are new to trading and you want to start, there's a link in the description box that will lead you to the broker that I am using. Until next time.